This is an official message from the Northwest Department of Energy Management. An accident has occurred at the Northwest Nuclear Power Plant with Unit 1. Lethal amounts of radiation were released into the atmosphere at around 1:30 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. With that being said, we are ordering a full evacuation approved by the Governor of California for the following areas: Los Angeles County, Malibu, Fullerton, Anaheim, San Diego, Palos Verdes Estates, Brea, Pasadena, Huntington Beach, Long Beach, Lomita, and any nearby areas to Catalina Island. The following areas are to be immediately evacuated within 5 hours: Avalon, Two Harbors, Empire Landing, and Middle Ranch. Those who live in the areas previously mentioned are allowed to go back to the area after 10 years. Those who are currently on Catalina Island are to head to Empire Landing immediately for evacuation.